ever wonder what the universe is made of? Well, the universe is made of matter. And matter is stuff. Everything that you can touch is matter. And matter comes three ways, what we call phases. Matter is either a solid, a liquid,
it's liquid,
or a gas. That's what those bubbles are. Matter can be very refreshing.
There are three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. If you look around, you will notice that you are surrounded by matter. Solids keep their shape. This means they cannot be easily bent or molded into a new shape. Liquids have the ability to flow, so you could pour or spill a liquid. Another characteristic of liquids is they will take the shape of their container. Gases also take the shape of their container, but unlike a liquid, a gas always completely fills its container. Even though you may not be able to see gases, they are still matter.
When matter is a gas, a lot of the time you can't see it. It's invisible. But here's a way to prove to yourself and any of our fellow scientists that invisible gas is matter. We'll weigh it. First, take a look at this broomstick balance of science. It's a broomstick with a hole in it. There's a lunch bag tacked to each end. Now we need to make some invisible gas. This is an old trick, but it's a good one. Pour some vinegar into a pitcher. Then add a little bit of baking soda. That fizzing is carbon dioxide gas coming off. It's the same gas that bubbles out of our soft drinks. Even though it's invisible, you can still pour it just like you pour water or milk. Pour the invisible gas into one of the bags. It pours even though you can't see it. The gas is heavier than the air and the bag on this end goes down. It's invisible, but it's matter. It's in the phase of matter that we scientists call gas. And it's total science.
We've already discussed the characteristics of the three states of matter, so now let's take a look at changing states. Right here I have a bowl full of ice. We know that ice is just water in its solid state. Now in order to change a solid to a liquid, something else has to occur, and that is heat has to be added. So let's see what happens when I put this ice over a hot stove. If you look closely, you can see that a change is already occurring. The ice is starting to melt and turn into water. Now we can clearly see the liquid substance. The longer we wait, the more ice is going to melt, and soon we'll switch completely from a solid to a liquid. We've now almost changed completely from a solid to a liquid. Now let's wait a little bit longer to see our liquid turn into a gas. Look at the water start to bubble. We can tell that some change is happening. Now this might be hard to see, but do you see that kind of smoky substance coming off of the pan? That's our gas. That's water vapor. If we let the pan sit here long enough, the water would be completely gone and would have completely changed into a gas. If you're a little bit confused, that's okay too, because we're going to cover this a lot more in class.